honest with you, man. She's a bad thing, fine as hell, thick as fuck. Oh my god, that's my baby, Caroline.
Hello everyone, what's good, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caroline and welcome to the fun, riveting, exciting start to finish wig and style tutorial bow. Got myself a little hibiscus and lemon tea because I'm tired, I'm drained, I'm just, whew, like I just want to chill. And you know how I like to chill, especially at night? I like to chill with a wig and style. Doing my hair. That's what we're gonna be doing tonight. I'm gonna be installing this wig from Arabella Hair Company. I'm excited for this hair color. I don't think I've done this color all year. Have I? I don't think so. It's like a brown, like a chocolatey brown. Let me take it out of the wig. 26 inches. I don't know if it's a body wave or loose deep wave. I will put all the exact specs in the description box. I don't know how I do. This is 26 inches. It's one of those ready for you, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, all that glueless closures. It's a closure. Ooh, I've never had a colored glueless closure. Okay, we're doing something new today. The lace is already cut off for us and it's looking like it's been slightly pre-plucked and it looks decently, I feel like, because like the hair color of it, since it's a, and the knots look pretty pre-bleached. Like I'm not really seeing too many dark knots on there, so okay. Oh, and they already curled it out for you in these little like Shirley Temple curls. Cute, cute, cute. So I'm assuming they would want us to be able to just put this on our head right at the box. First thing I'm gonna do is tint the lace on this because it's looking like, I don't know what kind of lace this is. I think it's giving, it's not that bad blending wise. Like it actually blends quite well. But I just like to always tint my laces if I can find my foundation to tint it. I just like to tint my lace, make sure it's the same color as me. And I'm using the Born This Way matte concealer in the shade Butter Pecan. This is not my go-to shade I like to use. I like to use the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 56. But I ran out of that and I haven't gone to the store yet. So this is the closest I got. But it's too expensive to be using my lace like that. And then we're just gonna buff that in underneath the lace. Especially towards the front part. There's a space for an elastic band to like attach one, but I've checked all the packaging and I don't see one, so they must have forgot to give me one. And the only clip on the wig is this one on the back. Like, how am I supposed to be glueless if I can't wear it gluelessly? Jeez. Y'all lucky. Y'all lucky I got me a spare band. But I also don't like when they put the band on the side. Like they put the band slits on the side of the closure like this. It was gonna have no clips and nothing. I gotta put the band clips on the side of the wig, not the side of the closure. Because I'm trying to make sure my wig is secure and I don't like it like this. But it's okay. We will make it do. One of my friends was like, Caroline, how you be wearing your wigs but still have edges? I don't be gluing my wigs now. That's how. I'm a glueless wig girly, okay? As I put one on, I take it off. And like that, I put another one right on. I don't do all that wig gluing down business. I like to take my wigs off at night, okay? Okay, now that I got that band on, ooh. It's feeling nice and tight on my head. Ooh, this color. Wait, Loki, wait a minute. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Ooh, I feel like I kind of want to keep it like this. Wait a minute. I wasn't expecting all that now. It lays pretty well gluelessly, but y'all see how like the lace is like puckering a little bit? Like it lays gluelessly, but it's not like melting gluelessly, you feel me? So I'm just gonna go in and spray it down with some Ebin. What I'm doing right now, I'm just trying to like push down the lace. Sometimes the lace will roll. You gotta like unroll that lace and like push it down flat into the spray. Okay. It's melted. It's melting. These extra little pieces of lace. Lord. Especially with these like pre-cut laces. They always like forget. I don't know, like the way they cut the lace, I feel like they're using like a stencil to cut it. Like it's always up and down cut, but sometimes it's like, I don't know, it's like not intentional. There's always excess lace. So I gotta like go in sometimes and cut just a little bit of like bare lace, because you don't want too much bare lace. When I say bare lace, I mean like the pieces of lace that don't have any hair on them. I like to just cut those a little bit with a razor. Okay, like y'all look at that. Oh my god, it looks so freaking cute. Haven't even like styled it for real. Tie our little elastic band down to help hold it down. Now let's get into the actual work, because the install was quite simple as y'all saw. The actual work is honestly getting it's really the styling. It already comes in the middle part, which we love. That's really why I've been doing a lot of middle parts this year, I'm realizing, because I've been doing a lot of glueless wigs and they always come already styled in the middle part, and I'm not good at getting good middle parts. So whenever they style in the middle part, I be wanting to keep it there, because it's not very often that I get a good middle part done myself. Go in with my hot comb, nice and hot, and press everything flat, the roots up, push it down to the side. Okay, see, nice and flat. Now let's get into the curls. I feel like I kind of want to keep the curls. I'm gonna comb these out just to see how they look. Oh, the curls don't want to stay. I mean, that's the thing about a lot of these curls. I don't know what kind of curls I want to do. I feel like I want to do flat iron curls, because I haven't done flat iron curls in so long. Let's see how it's gonna look. Yeah, I think I like the flat iron curl. In case you're wondering, how do you do a flat iron curl? This is what you do. Going in with this Femme Silkinimus. This is like my new favorite, like straightening, curling, whatever styling product. I like to spray it through the hair. Acts as a heat protectant and also like helps hold your styles better. And then I like to take my flat iron. I want to do curls going backwards, so I like to take it. I like to flip it upside down like this sometimes. And then like twist around. And then you kind of like want to like tap, 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 like slightly open and slide it down. Hopefully visually that makes more sense. Once you learn how to do a flat iron curl, I'm telling you, you will be unstoppable. To learn how to do flat iron curls, I honestly would just watch people visually and like see what their hands were doing and how they were opening and closing their flat iron and flipping it. And mind you, it's my left side, so it's gonna be different from my right side. And keeping mine in that, and just trying to like mimic my hand with theirs, and that's how I learned how to flat iron curl, because verbally I was not getting it. Curl this side. Same thing. I'm gonna take it for this is my right side, open, wrap, that. Whenever I curl my hair, sometimes it won't look right. Like the curl's not going the way I wanted to go, but you gotta go with your hot comb sometimes and flatten and shape around the hair to shape it the way you want it to be flat in places and curled in some places. Like, don't be scared to take your hot comb slightly through your curls. Slightly, not all the way through. Just like through the top like this. Just to help shape it and make it fall a certain way. Let me take this band off to see what it's looking like. Okay. Ooh, ooh. I was not expecting this. I was still thinking, I think I didn't know it came with the curls pre-done. I was expecting to have to do a lot with this wig styling wise, but the pre-done curls, all I have to do is just curl the bottom really. I'm trying to like make the curls like, sometimes you just keep brushing your curls and manipulating it. They will go the way you want them to be. I want it to like fall in my face a certain way. I'm just gonna pin the hair where I want it. Spray with some hairspray. Ooh, y'all see that? That look good, yeah. Smoothing out the hair. Alright, let's put a little concealer right in the middle to make the, oh no. I went past the middle line. Let me go in. Hopefully this color is dark enough. It's like a bronzer color. Oh, this is cute. Like, what? Period. I don't even have to do too much. We love that. I think I want to add like flexi rods in it to see the curls will last, to preserve the look overnight. But this is cute. Okay. Y'all see the bottom is just the curls that came in the hair that just like brushed out. And for sure when you wash it out, these curls not gonna last. It's gonna probably go into like a body wave look. But at the box, she's cute. I'm just over here happy because this wig not take me as long as I gotta take out. Overall, yeah, I'm feeling it. It was very simple, very, you know, to the point. What else can I say? That's really it. So with that, y'all know how it is. It's time to bid y'all adieu and see you guys in another one. Cheers to another lovely install. A quick one, my axe. I'll see you guys in another one. Make sure you like, comment, definitely like and comment and subscribe because I'm doing a Caroline Christmas giveaway. You have to comment and subscribe on every video, including this one that I posted in December. You have to comment, like, and be subscribed for every video I've posted in the month of December, including this one, for you to get a chance to win a surprise end of the year care package giveaway. That's going to include some of my favorite hairstyling products, my hot tools, things I like to do to style my wigs, and maybe a wig. I ain't say that. Maybe there is But okay, yeah, with that said, so yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe for a chance to win my giveaway. But I'll see you guys in another one. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Goodbye.